There is beauty in simplicity. Nature always seeks simplicity. So why do we make things so complicated? If you ever feel the urge to simplify things, start with this. Your thermostat. It's responsible for 79% of your home's energy consumption. What if heating was simple? What if saving energy was simple? Meet the Tado Smart Radiator Thermostat. It's compatible with your heating system and lets you control various rooms in your home individually from anywhere. But Tado is much more than a remote control. It has a variety of skills that simplify your life. It saves energy and makes your home more comfortable. It ensures your home's temperature is just right. Right when you need it. Thanks to geofencing, it notifies you to turn down your heating when no one is at home. It notices open windows and lets you turn off the heat effortlessly. It integrates weather information to save you even more and helps you to keep a healthy climate at home with insights and specific advice. It lets you control your heating with your voice. It shows you temperature and humidity profiles, the heating activity and your savings. However, its most important skill is to keep it simple. The Tado Smart Radiator Thermostat. The simplest way to save energy.